Mommy, I'm hungry.
Are you hungry? Pumunta kami ng doktor kasi good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. So today ay Saturday and it's currently 5 o'clock ng hapon, guys. Kakauwi lang pala namin from the doctors. And si baby girl natin ay nasa lunchroom, nakatulog siya kasi pagkarating namin pinadedi ko, and yeah, she's having her nap right now. And yeah, nandun si Daddy Mike para bantayan siya. So I thought na pumasok dito sa kwarto para mag-film. Pumunta kami ng doktor kasi na-share ko na naman sa inyo, diba, na for the last week, Paris have constipation. And we've been giving her Coloxil from the pharmacy, but I don't think it's helping her. And also, na-mention ko din sa isang video ko na sobrang iritahin ni Paris. Like, madali lang siyang magalit, which is not normal for our baby girl. Kaya sinabihan ko sa Daddy Mike kagabi na today ay tatawag kami ng doktor. We will make an appointment. Maybe because Coloxil is not strong enough. Maybe kailangan namin ng mas strong na medication. And also, for the doctor to see Paris. Kaya kaninang umaga, tinawagan ni Daddy Mike yung doktor. Sabi ng doktor na we will do it over the phone kasi nga dahil sa restriction namin dito sa Victoria, stage 4 lockdown pa rin kami. So, gusto nila na tawag muna and see if pwedeng gawin over the phone lang. So, Daddy made an appointment today over the phone with the doctors at 2:20 ng hapon. So, kung napanood niyo yung video namin kahapon, di ba na-mention ko rin na Paris was being suki sa hapon kasi di ba she fell down. Tapos, nag-start doon na sobrang sobrang iyak niya, and you know what, hanggang gabi na lang talaga yung iyak niya. But then, she went to bed and gumising siya kaninang umaga and she was very happy, guys. Like the normal Paris talaga kaninang umaga. I gave her fruit, kumain naman siya, naglaro-laro kami and all. Tapos mga 11 o'clock, guys, napansin ko na naman na she was trying to push again. And yung pagka-push talaga na parang alam mong nasasaktan siya kasi yung paa niya parang ginagano niya yung paa niya, parang iniipit niya yung paa niya ba kasi sobrang sakit nga siguro ng nararamdaman niya. But by saying that, she wasn't crying, guys. She was still, you know, she was pushing, but at the same time she was playing with us. She was okay. Tapos kasi nabasa ko nga na nakakatulong daw yung warm bath. So sabi ko kay Daddy Mike na magwa-warm bath kami ni Paris. So nung sinabi ko na kay baby Paris, guys, na magbabath kami, doon na mag-start yung I'm not sure kung bakit siya naging irritable doon nung sinabi ko na magbabath kami. Normally naman kasi alam nyo, diba, na Paris loves her bath so much. Na-enjoy niya talaga yung bath. But this time, sinabi ko sa kanya na let's have a bath, ganito, ganyan. Ayaw niya talaga, guys. And you know what? She was screaming. She was crying. Like, seriously, guys, unconsolable. Like, hindi mo talaga, I offered her everything. Like, lahat na talaga. Like, pagkain, drinks, and, Dede. She never said no to Didi, guys. But, this morning, sabi niya, no, mommy, I don't want it, I don't want it, I don't want it. Tapos, sobrang iyak lang niya talaga. At hindi lang talaga iyak na parang normal na iyak. Yung iyak niya ay may pasigaw ba na iyak. Kaya alam nyo, guys, tumulo talaga yung luha ko kasi hindi ko na alam kung ano yung gagawin ko, guys. Kasi nga, as mentioned, I offered her everything. Yun bang parang, come on to mommy, come on, are you okay? Ganito, ganyan. Pero wala talagang nagagawa, guys. And you know what's crazy about it? Because kanina, tinawagan ko yung mama ko sa Facebook na video ko. Kasi Paris loves that too. So, ngayon, yung nakasagot ay yung tatay ko. And then, Paris was like, again, sumisigaw na naman siya, I don't want it, mommy, I don't want it, mommy. Tapos sabi ko, speak to lolo, speak to lolo. Tapos, ayaw niya talaga. So, what I've done, I said bye to my dad. So, nung in-off ko na, guys, umiyak na naman si Paris kasi sabi niya na, ko lolo. So, yung sabi ko, guys, hindi ko siya maintindihan. hindi ko na alam kung ano yung gagawin ko. After nun, sinabi niya sa akin na, Didi, ganon. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, okay, come to mommy, let's have Didi. And then, nung inopen ko na guys, para ipadedi siya, doon na naman siya sumigaw. Sabi na naman niya, no, I don't want it, I don't want Didi, ganon. So, that time guys, hindi ko na talaga alam kung ano yung gagawin ko. I was feeling frustrated, I was feeling down. Tapos, sabi pa ni Daddy Mike na, ano daw, don't get frustrated, ganun. Sabi ko, I think we are allowed to get frustrated naman. All I want is for her to feel better, to be happy. Tapos, hindi ko magawa-gawa. Kaya na-frustrate ako sa sarili ko. Pagkatapos ng phone discussion nila, sinabihan ako ni Daddy Mike na, sabi ng doktor, we should go sa, ano daw, sa clinic daw nila para ma-check daw niya si Paris and matingnan niya yung ano ba yung tiyan ni Paris. So, di ba nga bawal yung dalawang tao sa sasakyan? Pero I think because this is parang medical situation ba? So, okay lang na kaming dalawa ni Daddy Mike sa sasakyan with Paris. So, pumunta kami and it's not very far naman. I think it's only 5 minutes drive. Kaya, very convenient lang. So, nung pagdating namin doon, naghintay muna kami ni Paris sa sasakyan kasi si Daddy Mike muna yung pumasok. Hindi kasi pwede na maghintay sa waiting room kasi nga 'di ba sa restrictions nga ngayon. So, si Daddy Mike lang yung pumasok and kinuha lang kami ni Daddy Mike nung ready na yung doctor for Paris. So, pumasok na kami and then the doctor did the checking ng anong dito yung chest ni Paris sa likod, yung temperature ni Paris. So, parang chine-check lang nung doctor yung chan niya habang hinahawakan ko si Paris kasi ayaw talagang magpalagay ni Paris. Kaya sabi pa ni Paris, no doctor, mommy, no doctor, let's go home. I wanna go. So, yung findings ng doctor, guys, na constipation lang talaga. He doesn't think that there's any other problem. Kasi Paris doesn't have fever, wala siyang ubo, wala siyang sipon. So, just the constipation part lang talaga. So, nag-print siya ng constipation information. Ayan. So, binigyan niya kami nito. Tapos, niresetahan niya si Paris nito. Ayan. So, ito yung binili namin kanina sa Chemist Warehouse. Ayan. Movie Co. Effective treatment of constipation. Ayan, tapos chocolate. Sabi niya, ano daw, today, bigyan namin si Paris ng isa. Tapos, the second day, bigyan namin si Paris ng dalawa. And then, third day, tatlo. And fourth day, 4. So, hanggang 4 lang talaga. But, if in case na after today, maging okay na si Paris, yung parang nakapupo na si Paris, then we don't need to give her anymore. Pag kailangan lang talaga, then we'll give it to her. Hindi ko nga alam kung, okay, looks like this. Ayan pala, guys. So, tutunawin lang siguro to. Oh, yeah. Dissolve the contents of 1 sachet with 125 ml of water. Stir well, then drink. Ayan. So, hopefully, inumin ni Paris, guys, no? And, ito yung nabasa ko, guys. Signs and symptoms of constipation. And, alam ko na ito talaga yung, nararamdaman ni Paris. So, stomach cramps, the pain tends to come and go. So, I think, yun yung, pag hinahawakan niya yung, niya guys, yung, tiyan niya. And then, another one here is irritable behavior. So, ito na nga, guys. Paris has been such a chill baby. Like, sobrang chill lang talaga ni Paris na baby, guys. Hindi siya iyakin. Kaya nga, sabi ko na nabaguhan ako. I'm really hoping and praying na, she will feel better very soon and I'm really hoping na makakatulong to talaga sa kanya. Now, yeah, she's still sleeping but pagkagising niya, we'll give her this. And then, fingers crossed, he will be okay.
It gets out there, but we never give up. Because we give up, the customer suffers. And let's be honest, this business is...
Yun ang ating baby girl ay natutulog pa. And nandito ako ngayon sa kusina kasi nagugutom ako, guys. Tingnan nyo, may din, no? Iring. Dali. Hi. Ayan. May rice pa kasi kami from last night, guys. Kaya gagawin kong tinughong ba. Lagyan ko ng tubig. Mainit na tubig. Tapos asin. Ayan na. Tapos hugasan ko tong mga plato na to, guys. You know what, guys? Sobrang maulan sa labas. Pakita ko sa inyo. Very dark. Ayan. Hindi siya mahangin pero it's been raining all day today. So it's now 7:20. And tinan nyo ang ating baby girl. Oh. Tulog na tulog pa rin ba? Very warm siya dito sa kanyang blanket. Nag-slide na siya pababa kanina ba? Tapos bumalik siya dito sa taas. Hayaan ko na lang muna guys para makapagpahinga naman. And si Daddy Mike pala natin ay nagluluto na ng dinner. Tingnan natin. So we're having fish tonight. What kind of fish is this one, Daddy? Nothing. What's inside? Like?
No.
Ling? What's ling? Magre-ready tayo ng isa guys for Paris tonight. Ito siya, oh. It looks like this. So, ang nakasabi kasi dito guys na 125 ml or about half a cup of water. So, ayan yung ating water. And then, ilagay lang natin tong powder. Hopefully, parang juice siya ba? Sana hindi thick yung consistency niya para inumin ni Tyrus. Alam niyo naman si Tyrus guys, very fussy. Ay, ganito pala siya, oh. Ayan, very pino. Chocolate flavor, pero puti. And tapos, i-stir lang natin siya. Ang plano ko guys na dito ilagay sa water bottle niya para hindi niya masyadong mapansin ba na iba. Ayan. Hindi pala thick yung consistency niya, parang water lang talaga. Pero mababaguhan si Paris nito ba? Hindi? Ah! Yeah. It tastes like just the chocolate drink na iniinom ko, guys. Lagay natin dito. And mamaya, pag nanghingi siya ng tubig, bigay natin sa kanya. Lagay natin sa fridge para cold. Ito ang ating baby girl, guys. Oh. Hi, honey. Nanonood ng kanyang Peppa Pig. I'm asking Daddy Mike guys na ipagpatuloy na namin yung pag-pack ng ating box kasi nga kagabi diba hindi namin natapos. Kasi si Paris umiyak. Come on, Daddy. Mabilis lang naman yun guys. Ilang lang yun. Andito pala ang aking family. My family. Ma, say hi.
Hello!
Nag-organize sila.
Everyone!
Busy sila ukay-ukay.
Okay.
Busy sila sa kanilang ukay-ukay, guys. Ayan. Tapos ito yung i-close namin ni Daddy Mike. We'll do it now. Habang hindi pa umiiyak si Paris.
Hello. Hi. Good. How are you?
Close. Wow. Stand up. Stand up here, everybody. Strong. Stand up here for the strong. 1, 2, 3.
Oi.
Yay!
1, 2, 3, jump! 1, 2, 3!
1, 2. 1, 2.
Dalaga ng pari!
Bye!
Oh, my person!
Yes.
Pari!
Are you able to go?
Keep knocking.
So, pinaris ko na si Daddy Mike, guys, kasi malapit na tayo matapos. Ano na lang, yung clear na lang na tape na iano ko ba sa all over the world, all over the box. Para matibay talaga siya. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo guys ng malapitan. Ayan. So, this is what it looks like. Ayan. Kahit gaano kabigat, okay lang siya as long as hindi ma-change yung kanyang, yung shape. So, ready na to para bukas kasi nag-text na sila sa akin kaninang hapon na yung pick-up bukas ay around 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Yung fee pala papuntang Mindanao sa amin, Misamis Oriental, it's 110, I believe. So, pag kuha ko ng box na to, nag-deposit ako ng $10. So, it means na bukas, yung paperwork, ilalagay ko yung $100 na kulang. Tapos, nag-message din ako sa kanila na kung pwede, magdala sila ng isang empty box bukas. Kasi, di ba, habang naglilinis ako dito sa bahay, may mga nakikita na naman akong hindi na namin kailangan dito na alam kong magugustuhan at magagamit ng pamilya ko. Kaya, yun, nag-request ako ng isang box para mapadala natin pag puno na. I'll be very happy pag napadala na to siya, guys, kasi itong door na to, mau-open ko na. Ayan! So, it means more space dyan sa aking mga damit. What is that? Good girl, drink water. Good job. Do you need more water?
Okay.
Okay, Mama will put more water. No.
Look at me, I'm hungry.
Are you hungry? Look at me, you're hungry. Tingnan nyo guys, maganda yung kanyang mood pag hindi
What
nagpupush.
is that?
What was that?
It's a pet tummy.
Was that Paris tummy? What sound did it make? Daddy will put more water. Thank you, Daddy. What sound did it make?
Hey, my daddy pet this one. Want to put daddy's water or not?
Oh, more water.
Okay, Paris.
Yeah.
Paris, hold.
Paris, hold. Daddy, put more water. Hold.
Wow! Good job.
There you go.
More water for Paris.
And bubbles.
Paris, hold.
Okay.
Yummy water.
Siki bubble cup. Hey, mommy.
Makes my hand stick to my nose. And I pull them. And I pull them. And I pull them away.
Does Paris want to cheers, Daddy?
Icky sticky
Cheers.
bubble gum.
Paris,
Cheers to Daddy daw. Cheers to Daddy. Cheers,
Ready?
Daddy.
1, 2, 3. Cheers. Drink.
So, alam niyo guys, binigay namin kay Paris kanina yung dinisolve namin na powder from the chemist. And, she's very smart, guys. Fussy and smart. Kasi, tinry niya, matamis naman siya. Chocolate flavor kasi. Pero, ayaw niya talaga, guys. Like, hindi ko na alam kung, paano ko ipapainom sa kanya. Kasi, nilagay ko sa water bottle kasi gustong-gusto niya yung water bottle, guys. Ngayon, pag humihingi siya ng water, yun yung binibigay ko. Tapos, binalik niya sa akin kanina. Sabi niya, Mommy, it's not water. Sabi ko, it's chocolate. It's chocolate flavor water. Sabi ko sa kanya. And, ayaw niya talaga, guys. Sabi niya, I want water, please. I want water, please. And, ayaw kong iritahin na naman siya. Kasi, pag nag-start siya na umiyak, guys, it will take hours bago siya mag-stop. So, yung ginawa ko, nilagay ko yung iba sa, parang ginawa ko siyang ice drop ba. Nilagay ko siya sa freezer. Oh, what's that, anak? Mama B? Show to Mommy? Is that glasses? Nilagay ko siya sa freezer para,
It's the phone.
oh, it's a phone. Nandito siya, oh.
Mama, get the mata.
Nak, we're gonna send it to Lola and Tita and Tito and Lolo. This one.
I want to get my back. He's falling backward.
True?
Mama, come way down there. Hello.
Hello.
No, he's your money back.
Yay! Good ka. Drink ko the water, nak, ha? The chocolate water. Oh, that's yummy in the tummy.
No.
No, why not?
Pag
Pag hindi siya napupush, guys, sobrang happy niya.
Falling backward.
Mm.
Mama, go way down there. naman dito manibet.
Yes. Yes. Good girl, honey. Anyways, guys, malapit na pala siyang mag 10 o'clock ng gabi. So, i-end na natin yung vlog dito. Ito siya, medyo mamaya pa to siya matutulog kasi nakita niyo naman kanina nagnap siya ng light.
naman dito manibet.
Na, jumping on the bed. Gusto ko din siyang guys, mag-warm bath ba? Pero ayaw niya talaga. Yan na guys, ay. Patience talaga. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat guys sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel at sa patuloy na pagpanood ng ating mga videos. Sana na-enjoy nyo kasi na-enjoy talaga naming mag-vlog at mag-upload pa ng maraming videos. And now we're just going to do a quick shout out. And first shout out goes to Jonah Reese, Lorna Gonzaga, Cherry Salazar, and also, shout out daw sa kanyang boss na si Alfonso Soto Ocampo. Shout out to Felina Rodriguez. And sa fiancé niya daw na si Graham Scott in Brisbane, Australia. Hello. Shout out to Gladys Mandanhuyan, Cherry May Ongayo, Lina De Los Santos, LV Real. Shout out to Malencia Apundar, LV Monte Alegre, Fe Vevar from Rizal, Rosemary La Rosa, Janzi Pinay, Australia, Vicky Inot. Shout out to Riley Frederick, Bem Morales, Clarice Torres, Zenny R. Dimacali, Maria Teresa Ramos Magsisi from Oriental Mindoro, and also shout out daw sa Magsisi family. Hello. Shout out to Ruby De La Rosa, Mad Brat, Cheng MBM, Marivic Valcorza, Be Smart Hair Care Services / Guy Enriquez, Norhaya Dapat, hello Nor. Shout out to Ching Siglos, Susana Webb, Cain Bernales, Mitchell Pristine, Fritzy Joy Guatilara, Evert Suta 53, Ruth Morales, and to her 3 kids, SJ, John, and Queenie from Siargao Island. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Shout out to Luis Manalastas, Corazon Santos Celdes, Sheila Sanchez, Maricari Mota, Marini Zerk, Salvacion Miguel, Alili Salazar, Rainer Mary Huerta, Evangelina Moral, Mamshi Nympha de Casa. Shout out to Claudine's Kitchen, Claudine Reed, Joanne Ambe, Gigi and Laika Vlogs, Verse in Philippines, Zel Mesiastom from Cebu, hello. Shout out to Hila Ska, Richel Moranti Vlog, Maria Victoria Pangan, and Teresita Abaluyan. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye! Mwah!